Hey guys, this is Hara GBK here. I was about to put another Cyberpunk video today, but I got some good news today, so I just wanted to share. So here's what it is. That's right, I finally got RTX 3080 Vision, the graphic card that I wanted long time since the release date, and I finally got it. And today is like January 2nd, which is the day after January 1st, so like I believe this is the New Year's gift that was given to me, and I'm really happy about it. And I'm gonna unbox and install, and I'm gonna share how it looks like and what am I going to do. Here it is, guys. And I don't think there's any like holder for graphics card or anything. It's just simply this graphics card. It looks really sleek. Oh wow. It is actually gorgeous actually. That is actually Gigabyte signs, as you can see. And it's plain and simple, but I like this design. And then like backplate is like metal. And then we got three fans, like two small and one mid-sized fan I believe. And then got like 8-pin connector, 2 8-pin connector. And that's much about it, but like boy, this looks really gorgeous. Really, it looks really gorgeous. Wow. And now I'm going to install this. That long? Wow. Hell man, like wow, apparently like the graphic card is long, so I had to like reconfigure my CPU cooler. Wow, this is gonna be a long take. Okay, so as you can see, I reconfigured my cooler and hopefully I will be able to install my graphics card with no problem. Let's see. Oh shit. There you go. Then look at this. Finally got it. Might have to buy some stand for this part later, but looks okay so far. Okay, here it is. I'm just connected power, so this is the moment of truth. There you go. Guess it works. Whew. Now that I have installed 3080, I'm thinking of all the games that I can think of. But the best game that I can play right now is